Hi everybody! Last week in math we learned about the penny. Do you remember how much a penny is worth? That's right, it's worth 1 cent. We also learned a special poem to help us remember how much a penny is worth. Let's say that poem again together today. It goes like this. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper and brown, worth 1 cent. Great job. So the penny is worth 1 cent. That means when we count a penny, we count by ones. Good job. Today, we are going to learn about a new coin. We are going to learn about the nickel. Can you say that with me? Nickel. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. Here we have a nickel. The nickel is a little bit bigger than a penny. It also is a different color. Our penny was brown. What color is a nickel? That's right, it's silver. Or maybe you said gray. Silver or gray is the color of a nickel. Good job. Now, we also have a different president on the nickel. We have Thomas Jefferson. You might remember him from our President's Day unit. He was the 3rd president of the United States. He also wrote the Declaration of Independence. So Thomas Jefferson is on the front of the nickel. On the back of the nickel, we have a picture of his home. It's called Monticello. Can you say that big word? Monticello. Monticello. Thomas Jefferson designed and lived in this home. Pretty cool, huh? So we've got Thomas Jefferson, and on the back, Monticello. Now, a nickel is not worth 1 cent. It's worth 5. So we are going to learn a poem about the nickel to help us remember how much it is worth. This is the poem to help us remember how much a nickel is worth. It goes like this. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents, I know that. Will you say that with me? Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents, I know that. Great job. Now that we've learned about a penny and a nickel, we have learned 2 ways to show 5 cents. Let's talk about what that means. So we know that a penny is worth 1 cent. So that means we're going to count by ones when we count pennies. Let's take a look at this row right here. Count by ones with me to see how many pennies or how many cents we have in this row. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since we have 5 pennies, we have 5 cents. That is one way we can show 5 cents. Now, let me show you another way. Another way that we can show 5 cents is by using a nickel. Remember, a nickel, just 1 nickel, is worth 5 cents. So, it took 5 pennies, counting by ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to make 5 cents. But since a nickel is already worth 5 cents, we have 5. So we have 5 cents. So 5 pennies shows 5 cents, and 1 nickel shows 5 cents. Since a nickel is worth 5 cents, that means we need to count by 5s when we count nickels. Let's try some right here. I have a row of nickels right here. We need to count by 5s to see how many cents we have. Let's count together. 5, 10. Because 5 and 5 makes 10. So right there in this row, we have 10, whoop, this marker is getting a little dry, 10 cents. This equals 10 cents. Let's try and count this row of nickels together. Remember, we need to count by fives. Here we go. 5, 10, 15. Good job. So in this row, we have 15. Excellent. Now suppose we have a nickel and some pennies. We're going to need to count by fives and by ones since we have a combination of coins, okay? So let's start with our biggest coin. We have 5. Say that with me, 5. Now we're going to add one more and one more, counting by ones. So we have 5, 6, 7. So here we have 7 cents. Let's try and count this row of change. We have nickels and we have pennies. So we are going to need to count by fives and then add on our ones. Ready? Here we go. 5, 10. Now we're counting by ones, so one more than 10. 11, 12, 13. Here we have 13 cents. We did that because we added 5 plus 5, which is 10, plus 1, 11, plus 1, 12, plus 1, 13. 13 cents. Now, I know at first it might seem a little bit tricky, but with practice, you will definitely get the hang of it. That is something that you can do with your mom and dad this week. Practice counting different amounts of nickels and pennies together and see how much change you have. Have fun! Now, boys and girls, I'm going to show you 2 quick games that you can play at home to practice counting different amounts of pennies and nickels. This is a game of memory. The goal of this game is to match the coin to the toy and price tag. So, for example, the giraffe costs 5 cents. Remember, we can make 5 cents with 1 nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. So these two are a match. The paintbrushes cost 10 cents. Remember, we can make 10 cents with 2 nickels. 5, 10. And the bear costs 4 cents. One way to show 4 cents is with our pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cents. So these two are a match. Now let's play a quick round together. Alright guys, I mixed up the cards and flipped them over. Let's play a quick round together and see if we can find a match. I'm going to flip this card. We got the bear. The bear for 4 cents. What card do you think I should pick? I'm going to go with this one. Did I make a match? Is a nickel worth 4 cents? Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. Oh, man. A nickel is worth 5 cents. That is not a match. So I'm going to flip them back over. Okay. We'll try again. I'm going to go for this one. A giraffe is worth 5 cents. We need 5 cents to buy it. Do you guys remember where the nickel was for 5 cents? Whew! Thanks for helping me out. We made a match. 5 cents and 5 cents. Good job, you guys. All right. Let's pick another one. Let's see. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cents. Okay. That means we need to find the bear that costs 4 cents. Do you guys remember where it is? Oh, what would I do without you? Thank you. 4 cents and 4 cents. It's a match. Great job. That means these two have to be a match. 10 cents and 5, 10, 10 cents. Good game, you guys. Okay, boys and girls, the next game that I'm going to show you is called Coin War. This is a game that you can play at home because I emailed it to your mom and dad. The goal of this game is to have the card that shows the highest amount of money. And Charlie's going to be my helper for this game. He's going to be player 1, and I'm player 2. And this is how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a coin war. Now Charlie's going to flip his card and put it right in his box.
I got 6.
And I'm going to put mine here. Charlie, count your coins for us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Charlie has 6 cents. I only have 1, 2, 3. Who won? Charlie or me? Charlie. So Charlie, you get to collect those cards. So you're going to take these 2 and put them in your pile. Okay, those are yours. You won them. Okay, so now we're going to do our little chant again to play. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a coin war. So I'm going to flip one in my box, and you need to flip one in your box. Okay, I only have 1, 2 cents. How many cents do you have, Charlie?
5.
Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Charlie has 5 cents. That means he won that round again. Gee whiz. He's good. Okay, let's do one final round. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a coin war. Okay? I got a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Charlie has 1, 2, 3 cents. So that means that I won that round because 5 is bigger than 3. Good game, Charlie.
Good day, Mama. It's a good day.
Bye, everybody. I had fun learning about the nickel with you today. I hope you have fun playing a few of the games that we showed you. See you next week.